What to do when Spotify Shuffle not working or doesn't seem random. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do when Spotify Shuffle not working or doesn't seem random. The first thing you guys to need to do is just click on your Spotify app and open it. Just play any random song. At the bottom, at the left hand side, you will see a shuffle option. You can just click on it or on or off. But if you don't have any Premiere, you don't have direct shuffle on or off option. For that, you have to go to any random playlist and you can directly shuffle from here by clicking on a green little button with an arrow sign. You can just shuffle from playlist, but you just can't shuffle individual song if you have a free version. Sometimes it doesn't seem like that shuffle work on Spotify. For that there are many other reasons due to which sometimes the shuffle feature doesn't work on Spotify. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, please share with your friends. Thank you.